Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the diecast scale model of a very popular Indian SUV. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, a happy Onam to all viewers, especially the ones in Kerala. Guys, here's the product, the diecast scale model of Land Rover Defender 110. This comes in a light green color, the official color of Defender, and this is the Defender 110, the 5-door model. Guys, just look at the heaviness and road presence of this Defender. Amazing, right? Guys, this diecast model comes with two openable front doors. And just look at that realistic interior. Wow, it's so amazingly detailed. This product also comes with an openable bonnet. Just look at the detailing of the engine and other things under the hood. Great. It also comes with an openable tailgate. Just look at it. This car comes with beautifully detailed tires and just look at the alloys. It also has a red caliper for each tire. Now let's check the sound of the tire. Guys, just look, it's so long. Even if I place it now, it goes. Now let's send it for a test drive. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. And share my video to your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Now coming to the main feature. For that we need to remove this so the battery start working, and let's check the light and sound system. Wow. Great. This car comes with a carrier and a ladder to reach there, and also an extra tools box. But it looks great, right? Now subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.